Today we're making tuna patties. No flour, no breadcrumbs, no crackers. 5 ingredients, 5 minutes. Gluten-free and grain-free. Macros and recipe in the description. Mix 2 large eggs, a quarter cup of mozzarella, a quarter cup of pork panko, and let that sit 2 to 3 minutes. We're using tallow today. You can render your own or you can buy it at the store. The depth of flavor is fantastic and it has a high smoke point, plus a little goes a long way. And tallow is what our grandparents used to cook. It's cheap, it's stable, and it's why these patties taste better than anything you get at a restaurant. And at the end of the month when your budget is tight, this meal could save you. It's budget friendly, delicious, and can be considered an emergency meal. And this is exactly why we buy extra when we can. Tastes pretty gourmet for an emergency meal, or even just a lazy day when you couldn't get to the store. These tuna patties come together so quickly. Just a few ingredients, a few minutes to mix, a few minutes on the stove, and you have dinner served. It's a cheaper alternative to salmon because grocery prices are through the roof. Oh yeah, listen to that crispy outer texture. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. What more could you ask for? But the true test is the taste. So, again, lots of crispness on the outside. Let's give it a little taste. Crispy, tender, and delicious. You're going to want to make these. Those are delicious. They're fantastic. And I'm thoroughly enjoying that sound, as you can see. So for 5 ingredients, takes about 5 minutes to cook, just a few minutes to throw it together. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing, commenting, sharing. It all helps. And I really appreciate that. That does help. God bless you and keep you. May He make His face shine down upon you and give you peace. Don't forget to pray over your food. Until next time. Bye, friends.